All right, this is free response question part D. All right, so if we read, it says find the limit as x approaches 1 of 10 to the x minus 3 f prime of x over the quantity f of x minus arctangent of x. All right, and so we want to make sure that we realize the first step in evaluating a limit is just to plug in, right? And so let's go ahead and plug in. All right, so we have the limit as x approaches 1 of 10 to the x minus 3 f prime of x divided by f of x minus arc tangent of x. All right, so let's just evaluate. All right, so 10 to the first minus 3 times f prime of 1 divided by f of 1 minus the arc tangent of 1. All right. And so that's what we're looking at. All right. So what is 10 to the first? All right. Well, 10 to the first is just 10 minus 3 times f prime of 1. Now remember, f prime of 1, we're looking at a graph of f here. So f prime of 1 is just the slope of this line, right? This is just a line. So the slope of that line is 2. So f prime of 1 is 2 divided by f of 1. All right, so what is f of 1? Well, remember, f of 1, this is f. So f of 1 is just the y value. So that's just 1 minus the arctangent of 1. So remember, arctangent of 1 means what? What angle, sorry, the tangent of what angle is 1. And remember, it has to be between negative pi over 2 and positive pi over 2. So that is very simple. That is pi over 4. And so, okay, 10 minus 6, so we get 4 divided by 1 minus pi over 4. All right. Now, you could play around with that a little bit, but in a free response setting, you do not need to simplify it all. So that is it, 4 over 1 minus pi over 4.